how to make an origami flapping bird. First you're gonna need a square piece of paper just like this. And now for the beginning. Fold in half like this. And towards the other way also. Hold it down like this and do it the other way. Okay. So once again, you can fold it in half like this. Fold it in half well. And put it in here. Insert it inside. Like this. Now, fold the sides for this trick. It's a trick because the next fold is going to be really hard. Now fold this, like this. You're going to have it like this. Now, you have to do it on the both sides, like that. Now, when you're done with that, open it up and do this. Do it like this. Like this. Now, flip it over and do the same again. Okay? Do the other side, as I'm doing. Okay, once you're done, you might want to open this up once you have it like this, open it up and put it upward. Okay, and the other side also do the same. Now open it up the regular way. You just had it, and you're gonna have triangle looking shape. Now open this up like this. You have to go together. Okay, and do it on the same on the other side. Do on the other side. Okay, like this. And for the head, insert your finger and do like this. There you have a head. For the tail, just leave it how it is. So now you're starting to get a shape of a bird. Set. So once you had it, fold this down to a certain measurement. If I were you, I would do it right here, this triangle. Now flip it over and measure and do it the same way. This. You have your origami bird, and so it flaps. Good. Open this up a little bit like this and do the same on the other side, like that. Now, to make it flap, hold on this and look, it starts to flap. Okay, if it doesn't really flap, it might be because you did this. So open it up a little bit, like this. Open it up, and now let's see if it flaps. You have to grab it from here, and wow, it flapped. Sometimes if it doesn't, you might want to do like this and down, up and down. Hold it a lot like I'm doing, because it didn't flap. Okay. Now it flaps. So if it looks like it's going to rip from here, open this up and put it like this. Check it if it's okay. Hold everything okay and put it up how it was. Okay? Put it up again, once again, and there you have your origami bird. Okay, bye.